Okay, we're on problem number 38, and I'm looking at it, and it's always a question is how do you do that? And again, I want to point out the recipes are not bad to look at, all right? They're not bad to look at. So what are we looking at? Well, let's go back. I can't remember what I just looked at. It's x squared minus 4, right? So it looks like we're looking at this guy over here, and their recommendation is a secant theta. Let's take a look at that, and we'll write that down now. So the recommendation they're making is x equals a. In this case, a would be 2 because 2 squared is 4. Secant of theta. So dx would equal 2 secant theta tan theta. And then you'd have d theta. Let's be careful and write this down. All right, so we're making a substitution. Let's see. We have to clear this whole thing out, don't we? So the bottom, I see 2 secant theta. I see the square root, and that's going to be x squared, which is 4 secant squared, minus 4. All right, I got everything almost covered. I said that dx, I got to put that down. Now, so 2 secant theta, tangent theta. They're looking much worse, though, I'll say that. But they say these recipes work nicely on the problems they're writing. So I got a lot of things that cancel off, and let's just go through that with you. 2 cancels. Secant theta cancels. And on bottom, what am I getting? I'm getting the square root of 4, which is 2. I'll bring that on the outside. I'm still seeing tan theta on top, by the way. I'm still seeing a d theta. And you see secant squared theta minus 1, which is tangent squared. In the vertical region, this is just going to be tan theta. Well, isn't that nice? What do you get over here? 1/2. I'll put a star here. D theta. What's that going to be? 1/2 of a theta. All right, plus some constant of integration. So I think I'm ready to go. And what's that going to be? Let's write this over here. Go back to land of x's. So 1/2. And what's theta going to be? Well, let's write this over here. It's going to be x over 2 is equal to secant of theta. I don't really like the secant of theta. I'm just going to write this as 2 over x equals the cosine of theta. And so I'm going to say arc cosine. It's a much better defined function, by the way. 2 over x plus a constant of integration. That wasn't so bad compared to the other problem that we just did. This one appeared to be pretty easy. Let's take a look at our key, though. 1/2 arc cosine 2 over x plus c. It's working like a charm. Thank you.